Oh yes, I just got this Dji Osmo Pocket 3 with my own money. This is not a sponsored video from Dji. I bought this with my own money. Just got it half an hour ago. I'm so excited to share this with you all. So it's still sealed. So let's unbox this. Very quick one. Alright. So what's in the box? This is the creator combo. I will tell you why I chose this creator combo in a moment. Okay, let's open this. Okay, what is in this box? Oh, this is the carrying case. So this is the carrying case. This one you buy the basic and the creator combo, they both come with it. Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. This is a protective cover, not carrying case. They supposed to have wide angle lens. Black mist I don't think come with this box. So this is the most exciting one. Come with toiletry tag. Is it? Okay, come with Dji logo. Alright, let's open it. It's quite compact, everything fit inside. This is Osmo Pocket 3. So I put here first. Let's see what else they have in the box. This is the extended battery. So this is, how big is this battery? When mounting, insert the battery handle into Osmo Pocket 3 without holding the release button. This one comes with 900 mAh capacity of battery. They come with, what is this? I think you bought the standard one, the basic one. They come with this, I don't know what they call this. This is the mounting to hold your mini tripod, and got USB-C for charging. Alright, this is Dji wireless mic 2, come with Pocket 3. So the design is very obvious, two different from the first version. Power link button and record button and USB charging. This is the wind muff, I think. Yeah, to cut all the wind. Come with this lanyard. I don't think I will use this. They come with like a small plastic, so that when you put inside here, it will snap on securely. Like that, so secure, right? Okay, what else in the box? Come with USB-C, Type-C, both sides also Type-C. I guess this is all in the creator combo. This is my first unboxing video on this channel. Oh no, this is not the wide angle lens. This is the magnetic for the wireless mic. Magnetic just snap. Oh, this is quite strong enough. Is this the wide lens? Ah, this is the wide lens. So in Malaysia, as of today is the Today is 2nd November 2023. Most of official Dji store don't have the stock. The price is pretty standard everywhere. So this is the wide angle lens. Supposed to put it like that, magnetic. Alright. Okay, what else? I think that's all. Oh, still got one more. This is the tripod leg. This is the mini tripod leg for Pocket 3. This is how you use it. Now this is able to stand. Snap. You got clip on both sides. Okay. Anything else in the bag? I don't think. Okay, that's all. Finish. So the quality is not bad. Not the best, but good enough to store all the device, all the accessory inside. So now let's take this sticker out. Nice. Okay, what else can I take out? Like take out this sticker. This is nothing, this is just a one. Okay, this is how it looks. This is my palm. See how big is the Pocket 3. It is bigger than Pocket 1 and Pocket 2. So to me, if let's say without this adapter, not comfortable to hold. You must have this adapter and the leg, then it will be comfortable to hold. It is highly recommended to get creator combo set. Alright. Okay, how to on this? So it's turn like that, it will on automatically. English, okay, of course English. Activate before use. Alright. Wow, now I can see the image is, the footage is so good. Off. So they give you 2 seconds before they totally off the device. Okay, let me adjust this camera. So when you off, this gimbal will automatically keep itself by protecting the camera screen in front of you. So let's see what else they have. This is the battery, additional battery, and the tripod holder. Okay, let's put this up. So to take out this one, just press the button. Alright, so let's put this up. When you use this one is just keep inside the bag. So let's put on the tripod. So when you put in everything, it's quite long. You see, it's quite a weird shape. You see my hand? My hand is not very big, just nice. I can see the screen is bright enough in this sunny afternoon. Now when you connect this thing, it will charge, it will show charging here. The battery here is left 45%, and then the main device is 53%. It is charging now. So let's try to put in the protective case. This is how. Put the head first, snap on like that. So there goes your Pocket 3. This is so big. So see how long? I guess this is about 1 feet long. It's quite long, you see. Alright guys, I have done update this Pocket 2 just now. I just want to test the tracking, see how good it is. I try to take everything for auto for now, 4K 25 frames per second. I put everything normal and default. Okay, let's see how is the taste look like. So let's test this. Can double tap the face to track me. Now it's track my face. So I want to be on the right side of the screen. I also can do that. Okay, like that. So in this mode, you see I at the rule of third of the screen, and now I can review this table. So this table comes with 4 chairs. They don't have engine, and it can last forever. So let's have a walk. So I can walk this way. Supposed to be there's more room in front of me while I'm walking. I stretch my arm. This is how is the view. This is fully auto mode, 4K 25 frames per second. Okay. Now I switch the camera to the other side. I tap this switch. There's 2 little girls playing the badminton. I walk faster. How stable is the footage? Okay, let's turn to my face. Okay, I run. Now I'm running. I turn back, running again. I don't have to look at the screen. It still track me. So let's test the tracking. gadget baru, testing.
Baru beli ke?
Ya, baru beli. Osmo Pocket 3. Okay. I hide behind the tree. Oh, ada lagi?
Ada.
Oh, still have. Wah, not bad. I'll hide behind this tree. Ada lagi? Ikut lagi? Wah, not bad, not bad. This is tracking 6.0. The tracking now ability is very good. I'm tired for running. This is my newly made friend. Hai, nama apa?
Azman.
Rahman.
Azman.
Azman. We.
We
We. Let's put my face up a bit. Like that. Like that, nicer. Now is almost 180 degree. Okay. Laju dia ikut. Not bad. I give you 2 thumbs up for the tracking. Oh, so tired. So now I'm connecting this DJI Mic to wireless mic too. So how is the sound from the mic here? I'm now in the garden in my neighborhood somewhere in Selangor, Malaysia. Okay, I off this. Okay, now is the audio from internal mic. I'm now in the garden somewhere in Selangor, Malaysia. So how does it sound? Which one sounds better? Right, I on again. So now it's connected. DJI Mic 2 transmitter 1 connected. Used for audio input. So this is the sound from wireless mic from DJI. So how is the sound? Definitely this sound better. There's 2 reasons I bought this Pocket 3. Number 1 is the 1-inch sensor. Number 2 is the tracking 6.0. So this 2 is good enough to make any good content on YouTube for you guys. That's all for now for the unboxing video Osmo Pocket 3. So if you would like to see more about Pocket 3, please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.